Guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and this video is just to let you know what's happening here at Orange Campers. It's always a busy week, no matter which week it is. We never get a quiet time, and I just thought I'd show you what's happening around the unit. So we're just getting this ready for a customer. This sold at our last show, fixed rear bed. If you've ever fancied a fixed rear bed, and we do get a lot of views on the fixed rear bed, so it must appeal to a lot of people. And I must admit, it's a nice option if it suits you or works for you, because you've got all the cupboards, you've got all your bedding made up, you don't have to mess about. It's just a beautiful setup, but it's got to work for you, and that's what I always say. You've got to find the van that works for you, and it is a compromise. A lot of campers, you've got to gain something or lose something to make that van work exactly what you need it. So in my yard, the Active's just come back today from hire. We've had a chap out fishing in that for the weekend out at Lady Bower. So we'll say hi to Pete, and he's just brought that back and he's enjoyed it. He's had a great time, and one of his things is, he said, the people you meet on the campsite, it's just lovely, you know, and that's what makes it really special. We've got the medium wheelbase demonstrator, which is now being sold. So we're just doing a few little extra jobs on that for the customer, a couple more upgrades. I didn't think it was possible, but yeah, a couple more upgrades and then getting that fully fettled like new again, ready for its new owner to enjoy. So that'll be nice. We're working on that. Like I say, I've just been away in this weekend. Me, Sonia, the two boys have been away in the medium pop top, the high top should I say, not the pop top, because that is now sold. So we've been away in the high top version. So it's been our first weekend. We've used the Cab Bunk bed system across the front seats, and we've used the twin system this time. I've been away with me and just the two boys before, up to Whitby in this one, with a single Cab Bunk. But this weekend I used a double Cab Bunk, which worked great, really good. The only bad point about it is we're both arguing who's sleeping in the top bunk. So you can't win. But it worked amazing, beautiful van, it really is. And we went to Hayfield, the Caravan and Camping Club site there at Hayfield in Derbyshire. Beautiful campsite and some lovely walking around there, it really is. So we'll head into a workshop. We've got a couple of customers' vans ready to get out this week. I think we've got one going out this week, a couple going up to paint and things like that for roofs and things. So as you can see as you come in, we've got a micro camper in build at the second. That's just having its roof fitted, and the roof will go up to paint next week once it's purchased. This one's available to buy, this one. This is our stock vehicle. So this is getting built ready for the Newark Show coming up in 13th to 15th of June, which I can't believe it's June already. So this will be ready for that show, and it's a beautiful van, really. It's a pretty van. Like I say, it's going up, the roof will go up and get painted. You can see it is coming on nicely. Andy's come back to work. Andy's just had a baby. He doesn't look it. He's lost all his baby fat already, look. So Andy's back in the workplace after having a couple of weeks off. He's got a beautiful baby boy. And our demonstrator is the next, we're working on the new demonstrator. So this will be the new demonstrator, which needs to hurry up because we've only got 3 weeks to the camp out in June, and I'm sleeping in there, so we need to get his fingers out and get that ready. And this is a customer's van. This is Steve, one of our newest employees, so he's just joined us and he's off on holiday already tomorrow, so he's got his head screwed on. This is a customer's van. It's coming purely for a high top roof to be put on, so it's existing conversion, and it's a short wheelbase Fiat or Citroen, so it was one of our roofs what we used to have made for that. And then we've got a couple of customers' vans going out, and if we can just see the tent on this one, what a beautiful colour that is, Glacier Blue. So as you can tell, you can really customise even your tent materials and really choose and bespoke that van for your colours. And inside it's got a frosted jade, which is a very similar colour to that, so it really suits it as well. And then we've got another van going out straight after that van, and this is the iron grey, a darker van, and this is a pop-top version also. What colour is this one going to be inside? Oh, this is Cashmere and Misty Blue is their accent colour on this one. Oh yes, these are our new Series 2 If you look at the front bumper there, you can see it's a new design on the Series 2. Beautiful colour van, that one. And the high spec on it, you've got the side sensors, you know, the 16-inch wheels. All the new mouldings have slightly changed these new vans, as you can tell. The new Series 2, there's some very subtle differences on the front end to make them really nice, but the big difference is inside. The beautiful spec we've got for the highest spec possible, and big 10-inch screens. They've even got rear view mirrors, some of them, with digital driving mirror, things like that, electric folding mirrors, lane assist. There's so many different things. We've got 4 of these in stock at present. So if you're looking for a pop-top version on the 5.4, we've got 4 physical vans in stock ready to build. This colour, or the silver colour. So we're just building the furniture for things. So we've got a pop-top to high top in on a T6 at the minute. And in a few weeks, or in August, we're going to be built. Well, yeah, that's August time, isn't it? I've got a California what's just booked in, so that'll be interesting to see how the California copes with a pop-top to high top change as well. So that'll be interesting. And like I say, it's another busy week. You can, don't forget, try before you buy on the medium wheelbase. We haven't got a pop top available at the minute until we build the demonstrator, but we have got the high top version for you to test if it's something you're looking at and you want to test for it. So we have got automatics available in the high top as well, so you can join our waiting list. We have got our next batch of autos, because all the current autos I think have gone. We might have a possibility, somebody's just offered me an auto, so if you are thinking of an auto medium wheelbase, there could be one very ready now, which is in the country, which have been offered yesterday. But apart from that, our next batch is due in September, but you can be on the waiting list for that. So our next show is Newark. Don't forget to come and say hello if you're coming to Newark, and then drop us a call, drop us an email, and don't forget to follow us on social media. And don't forget, I nearly forgot then, our next open day is on the 6th of July, is it, Jess? Yep, 6th of July. And here at Rotherham, so you can come and see us. We'll put some food on, some refreshments, but we like you to book in if possible, just so we know what numbers we're catering for. So drop us an email if you're interested in coming to see us at our workshop. You get to meet some of the people what work here, and you get to meet me and Jess and Sonia. Even probably the boys will be knocking about somewhere, and it'd be nice to see you. You'll be able to get inside the vans, see the new demonstrator pop top, which will be a lovely van, as is a new medium high top as well. And you'll be, like I say, be able to meet some of the team. But don't forget, drop us an email and come and say hi.